that helps Aviator game players see how others are playing. You're likely looking for tools or apps that offer live statistics, trends, or multiplayer visibility in the Aviator Crash game. Here are a few types of apps or platforms that can help with that. Left-pointing magnifying glass 1. Aviator game apps with multiplayer view. Many versions of the Aviator game include a live multiplayer screen showing how much other players bet, when they cashed out, total wins, losses. White-heavy checkmark examples. Check your app store for Sprite Aviator, official developer, 1xBet, BetWinner, Premier Bet, or Betway apps have Aviator with live play data. Bar chart 2. Predictor apps, use with caution. Some apps claim to predict Aviator rounds, showing how others are playing or suggesting when to cash out. Be careful, most are fake or scams. Warning sign #warning. Apps like Aviator Predictor or Aviator Hack are usually not real or safe. Avoid apps asking for money to unlock predictions.